Hey, what's up, affiliates? Jameson Brandon here. I wanted to shoot a quick video. It's a little different. Usually this would be a video telling you about the product, maybe telling you about the funnel, things like that. We do have a solid funnel set up with this, just like with all of our other products. We just released WP contracts. It converted at consistently, I believe it was about 13 to 17% on the front with an EPC well over $1. Now is at a very low price point of around $9, and then the OTO converted at 17% with a really high EPC of I think over $16 or $17. It consistently stayed at that, so it was a higher price point. So the funnel converted really well. It pegged out at our normal high stats where the OTO was converting at like 30 or 40%. And so we're looking at doing the same thing with this. We have tools / software on the front, upgraded tools / software on the back. So similar setup to what we did before. Price points will be a slow dime on the front and then a locked in on the back. So the front end product is going to be a plugin. This is a plugin that we used as an in-house solution, and now we're rolling out to the general public. So what it is I guess you could call it a content locker or a page locker of some sort. I really hate using that terminology because when you think content locker, you think of all the shady stuff that you use for CPA offers. And when you think of page locker, you think of the million share button lockers that hit the Warrior Forum that sold for like $5-6. So, I don't want you to kind of prejudge based off of that. Let me show you what it can do, and then, go from there. So I've already got it installed. I'm going to go ahead and go to the options panel. I've got some of this filled in for ease of use, but basically there's two different options. You start by putting a little code snippet in your theme file. I'm going to do that in just a second. And then what we've got is we've got the ability to force a wall post or a share, which is customized to everything that you put in there. Or we have force a like and send. Okay, so usually most of the tools out there just do a like button. And so this has a send button as well right next to that. And then also you have the ability to do a custom wall post. Okay, so it's a lot different than the share buttons that you embed off of Facebook. This is way more powerful than that. Okay, and you have full control over the message that's being displayed. It's not pulling in the open graph data from your site and just sharing like a bunch of wacky images, crappy descriptions, and linking wherever. So you have full control over that. So let's go ahead and pop this in to the theme file really quick. So I've got it all opened up, and we go right below the where the header closes and before the body opens, and we just pop in that snippet and we update the file. That's just an easy way for us to quickly trigger it. Alright, so if we wanted to do a forced wall share, here's what we've got. Basically the trigger options for the pop-up are simple. It's on load, on a delay in a matter, this is measured in seconds, or on a click, meaning that the whole page will look unlocked, and then when they go to click somewhere, it'll trigger the pop-up. So really cool, really unique options there. We'll just do on load for now. And then I've got this filled in, I've got the description, the URL that I want, and then the image. Let me go ahead and grab that. Just whip something up really quick. So we've uploaded that, and then let me go ahead and save the changes. Okay, so you see settings updated, we've got that, everything looks good. We've gone ahead and edited this file and added that in. So now we can add this to pages or posts. So let's add in a new page. Let's just call this wall post demo. And you have to just make sure that you enable it on the right hand side here. There's a additional option. So again, you can use this for pages and posts. And then let's do this. I've got some content here. Let me just go ahead and grab this feature highlight, and we'll use that as the content. And then let's publish it. Okay, and then let's view it. Let's test this out here. And now what you'll do is it'll trigger a pop-up to log in if you're not logged into Facebook already. So you log in, let that work its magic, and then here's our message. So you can add in whatever you like in the top, and then it goes, and it also gives you options to do things like this here too. You got to understand something. This is a pop-up, so you might run into issues with it being blocked and things like that. That's just natural for Facebook stuff. It does happen. So out of the two, this is definitely the more inconsistent option to go with. The like and send is a lot more consistent because there's not only ways for us to check to make sure it is a pop-up that we control. It's not an actual pop-up like this pulls up a whole new window, but it's a small window, and this is all done through Facebook. So again, this is a little bit harder for us to deal with, so it might be blocked on some browsers. But again, it's very, very powerful with what you do get, so they can add their own message, and then they can, of course, share the link. So I could just share that, and then it's done, and then the page unlocks. Now, besides doing what I just showed you, which was the wall post, you can do, instead of that, you can just do a like button. So it does a like and send button. Again, same options, onload, delay, or click. So we can put in a title. That is what fits over the top of the blue background. All of this goes in the center. So again, we're doing a graphics bundle with this as one of the bonuses. We're doing two bonuses, graphics bundle and a implementation webinar. So here's a look at the graphics pack at a glance. So you could add in one of these. It just gives a strong call to action. Send it over to the server, and then that's what it looks like. So that is above it, and then below that is going to be the like and send button, which is going to be laying on top of it gray. So this is styled just like a Facebook notification. So like count, let's say we wanted to do 14 for each. Let's say we wanted to do Google. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's just add in Facebook. You can swap out up to 5 URLs. Facebook, and you can just keep going on and on and on. And of course, it's going to start counting the amount of likes that you've gotten off to the right, and then you can have an optional close button. So let's go ahead and save this as is, and then what we're going to do is let's create another page, and let's just call this like demo. Okay, we're going to enable the pop-up, and then let's grab our content again, grab that, pop that in there, post it, publish, and then let's view that. Actually, let's do this. It's not triggering, it's because I've already liked Google. So naturally it won't happen, which is going to be rare for the sites that you use it for. So let's do Facebook and then Yahoo. So, and I'm already cookied for Google, so let's try that. Refresh it, that should do the trick. Yeah, see, there it is. So I had just tested this out and liked Google, and that's why that wasn't working. Obviously I've already liked Facebook as well, but I'm not stuck in that cookie. So I didn't put a title in here. You see, that's why that looks so funky. So if we were to go back and put this as a title, or this content is private, let's do that. Update that, refresh, and you see, so title goes over there, image goes over the top of here. You can do image, you can do video, you can do whatever you want in here, and then like and send button here at the bottom fits on top of the gray. So really cool. You see, there's no way to get out of this. It's locking the whole page at the moment. So we can always change that and add in an optional X or close, and then let's refresh. Now we got a way out. Cool. So unlock it, and now you get access to the goods. So that's both options. That's wall post options and then the forced like/send options. So on this page, you'll also find affiliate links. You'll find demo links off to check this out yourself, and then also a quick glance at the funnel. So thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll hope to have you on board and promoting this. Talk soon.